Another incident, one of the person, he asked me while I was in a seminar, came to me and asked that, Jaideep, I am doing a job, but right now think that I am going to leave that and I am looking for some Scrum Master job, right? Scrum Master, normal conversation, because we always network, we talk to each other, we help each other, and we try to get some kind of traction in our career, right? So he asked me, see, these are the very practical things what you see normally when come to network. He asked me that I want to do Scrum Master, so is it possible that can you help me? Now conversation evolved from there. I asked him, okay, why do you want to become a Scrum Master? Very basic question, right? First question, that why you want to become a Scrum Master? Why you feel that you will fit the job and why you want to do it? His next answer was that I wanted to be a business analyst. I thought I'll change my, he was doing see, everybody has, my career also has transitioned for a lot of areas. I was in food processing industry as a mechanical engineer, and from there, different paths I've taken and moved into the career direction. So it is welcome that when somebody wants to change somewhere, right? Now, the person asked that I wanted to do a business analyst. And it is not basically telling somebody what is, it is just analyzing ourselves, that how our thought process we should groom, right? Or how it can help. So he asked, when I asked him that why do you feel that then business analyst you don't want to do and you are looking for Scrum Master. So further discussion happened. He told that I figured it out that in business analyst lot of works are required. We have to do a lot of documentation kind of stuff, right? And lot of work is there. So I thought that business analyst will suit me, right? So my thought process next came, I could not tell him because there is a proper way of coaching, because Ashutosh already has covered the session earlier, right? That coaching and mentoring and then command to coaching, this kind of. So mentoring and coaching is very important, but you can't tell directly. But the point came that how we select something. If I am selecting something that because it will be easy in my life, then we are choosing it wrongly. The selection is wrong. If something is going to be easy, if I feel that something is going to be easy, that's why I want to choose this profession, then my understanding is limited and I'm choosing a wrong path. Because it is not because easy you are going to choose, we have to choose that whether I am loving it or not, whether that is aligned with my heart or not, whether I'll be liking it or not, right? So these are the areas very necessary to understand, and these are the few incidents which help me. Now coming to this slide, what you can see over here, all of us.